All materials contain electrostatic forces. Likewise, dust also carry charges. Opposite charges of a material and the dust will result in forces of attraction between them. Similarly, like charges of the material and the dust will cause both particles to repel from each other. Hypothesis: more dust will be attracted to materials in non-air conditioned areas as compared to in air. This is because there is less disruption by wind movement in non-air conditioned areas. We also assume that cardboard has the least electrostatic forces among the chosen materials due to general observation. Hence, cardboard will attract the least dust. These are the materials used: acrylic plastic, wood, aluminium, vinyl plastic cloth, paper to single corrugated cardboard. This is how the experiment is set up. Our method for the collection of dust is by wiping the surface of the material. These are examples of high, moderate, and low amount of dust on the tissue. High amount of dust is defined when huge patches of dust are observed on the tissue. Moderate amount of dust is defined when traces of dust is present on the tissue. Low amount of dust is defined when there is little, not observable dust on the tissue. High amount of dust is when numerous dust particles is attracted to the material. Moderate amount of dust is when some dust particles are attracted to the material. Low amount of dust is when little dust particles is attracted to the material. Here are the general results of our experiment. Cardboard attract the least number of dust as compared to the other materials. This links back to our hypothesis, which states that there will be greater amount of dust collected in non-air conditioned areas, and cardboard will be the materials attracting the least amount of dust. Due to its property of not attracting much dust, cardboard is thus one of the most common packaging materials used by industries. Experiment showed the anti-static property of different materials and what environment conditions will lead to more dust attraction. The project could be further investigated by using actual particle count system to get specific readings of particle count on the surface of each material instead of by estimate.